Today, I'm diving into Campaign Monitor, a well-known email marketing platform that claims to offer powerful automation, seamless campaign management, and easy-to-use design tools. I'll walk you through the entire platform, from setting up an account to creating and analyzing email campaigns. If you're considering using this service for your business, stay tuned to see my honest experience with it. First, let's start with the onboarding process. Signing up for Campaign Monitor is straightforward. You simply enter your business details, select your industry, and immediately get access to the dashboard. The interface is modern, clean, and well-organized. The main menu gives you access to campaigns, automation, analytics, and your audience list. Navigating through these sections is intuitive. Even if you're new to email marketing, one of the standout features of Campaign Monitor is its drag-and-drop email builder. The design editor is smooth and provides a variety of templates that look professional and are mobile responsive. You can customize everything, from fonts to colors, without needing coding skills. If you have your own HTML template, you can also upload and edit it directly. The email preview tool allows you to see how your email will look across different devices, which is crucial for optimizing engagement. Next, I explored automation. Campaign Monitor offers a visual journey builder that lets you create automated workflows based on customer actions. You can set up welcome sequences, abandoned cart reminders, and personalized follow-ups. The automation setup is user-friendly and provides real-time insights into customer behavior. Compared to other email marketing tools, the automation options here feel well integrated and flexible. Audience segmentation is another key feature. Campaign Monitor allows you to categorize your subscribers based on engagement levels, purchase history, or other custom parameters. This helps in sending highly targeted emails, increasing open rates and conversions. The tagging and segmentation options are powerful and easy to use, making this a great choice for businesses that rely on personalization in their email marketing strategy. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, let's look at analytics and reporting. Campaign Monitor provides in-depth campaign performance tracking. You get detailed reports on open rates, click-through rates, bounce rates, and conversions. The platform also has heat maps that show where subscribers are clicking within your emails. A/B testing is available, allowing you to experiment with different subject lines, designs, and content to improve results. When it comes to integrations, Campaign Monitor supports a variety of third-party apps, including CRM tools, e-commerce platforms, and analytics software. You can connect it with Shopify, WordPress, Salesforce, and more, making it highly versatile for businesses of all sizes. Pricing is another important factor to consider. Campaign Monitor follows a tiered pricing model based on the number of subscribers. While it offers solid features, the pricing may be slightly higher compared to some competitors, especially for businesses with a large email list. However, if you prioritize design flexibility, automation, and detailed analytics, the investment may be worth it. Overall, my experience with Campaign Monitor has been positive. It's a powerful tool for businesses looking to enhance their email marketing efforts. The user-friendly interface, automation options, and design tools make it a great choice, although the pricing could be more competitive. If you're looking for a reliable email marketing solution, this platform is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on digital marketing tools. Thanks for watching.